Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and fruit.
Do you read books often?
Yes, I read every day.
Where do you go on weekends?
I usually go to the park.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to paint.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook every day.
Where do you usually shop for groceries?
I shop at the local supermarket.
Do you speak any other language?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat well and exercise regularly.
What shows do you watch on TV?
I watch comedy shows.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Where do you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays at the beach.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you do for a living?
Yes, I do.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit them once a month.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Where do you study?
I study at the local university.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually relax at home.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking a lot.
What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery novels.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it daily.
How do you stay fit?
I run every morning.
What do you do on your days off?
I usually go hiking.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
Where do you like to eat out?
I like to eat out at Italian restaurants.
Do you volunteer?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter.
How do you relax after work?
I read a book.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym every evening.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you follow the news?
Yes, I follow the news online.
Where do you meet your friends?
We meet at a cafe.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love to dance.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I have a party with my friends.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you go to concerts?
Yes, I go to concerts occasionally.
How do you commute to work?
I ride my bike.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every week.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
How do you spend your evening?
I usually watch TV.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love to draw.
How often do you call your parents?
I call them every day.
Do you enjoy working out?
Yes, I enjoy working out.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate every morning.
How do you usually get to school?
I walk to school.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I love baking.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you write a journal?
Yes, I write a journal every night.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out once a week.
Do you like to sew?
Yes, I enjoy sewing.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
How do you keep in touch with friends?
I text them regularly.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch football.
What kind of art do you like?
I like modern art.
Do you like to camp?
Yes, I enjoy camping.
How do you organize your time?
I use a planner.
Do you like to fish?
Yes, I like fishing.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you have a green thumb?
Yes, I love gardening.
How do you handle stress?
I do yoga.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing board games.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food once a month.